We would like to thank our sponsor, the Avinion Clinic.
Parang may bukbuk ka naman. Maraming salamat agad. Hello, Ola Kitola, Tinola Patola, and your OT3 is here. Of course, hindi namin palalampasin ang isa sa mga pinaka-inaabangang collab sa P-pop industry. Of course, our boys, Mahalima, with 21 Zara!
Yeah. It's been a long time since nag-record tayo ng ano. It's been a long time.
It's been a long time coming.
But we're here now.
And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours.
Cause I'm getting mine.
Let's go. Blackjack.
Sobra pong fan kami ng 21. At kahit balikan-balikan mo yan ang hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin sa amin na, ay, fake. 21 fan po talaga kami. No? Yes.
Gusto nyo ba makakita ng video ko noong 2010, sumasayaw ng 21 by Dara, solo sa classroom.
Yes. So, ganito, no? Parang maliban sa na-sponsor na tayo ng Avinion Clinic, charot lang po, na-sponsor, ano ba to? Natural ba to?
Bahala na kayong humusga kung natural.
Ay, ako siya sa akin, natural lang nag-makeup today.
Iba ang ring light tonight. Charot.
Iba ang confidence at 1 a.m. Pero yun nga maganda.
Pero wait lang muna. Makiramay muna tayo.
Oo nga. Para sa mga K&D.
Para sa mga Katniel fan. I know this is a difficult time for you. Guys.
Let's not vilify women without concrete proof.
Aray.
Kasi ang pangit, diba? That's for another video.
Oh, okay. Huwag tayo tumika.
Dahil binubuksan na po namin formally ang Matt Summer TV Chismisan! Charot lang. Balik pa rin tayo sa Mahalima natin. Yun nga, sige. First, we're going to react dun sa RV.
And then after.
But we will be reacting in a separate video kasi, we'd like them juices, some kwentuhan. So that's gonna be a separate video. But first, ngayon, na-reactan namin ang recorded video.
Yeah, and the challenge here is under 7-minute reaction video. With the video. Kaya ba natin?
And we're running to...
Oo, para naman makagawa tayo ng dalawang video. Not even starting. So, let's start. Wait.
Nakalagay talaga yung individual names nila for the time being. Which is okay. And I'm glad na 18 is kumbaga still supportive of this. Pero ako, ang fear ko lang is, yun nga, medyo hindi gaanong umiingay. Yung SB19, I think it's safe for us. Since fans tayo, they cannot take it out of us to use the name. Pero I think with Japan's rescheduled.
Yeah.
So, I think aabot na tayo sa malapit-lapit na siguro. And ito, magandang hudyat sa ating pamasko ng SB19 kasama ang ating Tita Zara. Kasi akong nanay ko si Minzy sa 21 eh. Go.
Diba? Daming sinabi. 1 second pa lang yun.
Rad Kids, so.
Produced and composed by Rad Kids.
Are you proud? Say the truth?
Yeah. We're all proud of them.
Say the truth.
See you po soon. Sorry.
Reset. Let's go.
Ay!
Hoy! There you go. Tsaka ako nagkikwento.
Parang isang maagang bitaw yun ng beat. Ano?
I don't know if yung cymbals or I don't know, hindi ako pitch perfect ha. Pero there's something yung kaya siya holiday, alam mong holiday, yung parang cymbals ba yun, yung parang pumupukpok sa likod na alam mong pag tumutunog yun oy, papalapit ang Pasko. Parang ganun.
But parang feeling ko hindi siya Christmas song.
Ano feel mo?
Hindi, basta. Kasi dapat Santa got you. Charis! Ay, sa bagay, ninang Santa nga pala si Ace or Charis.
I love seeing them smile. May na-miss ko sila nung bongga.
seasons change. Don't care if it takes a holiday. We make memories as if it's last. So go through paradise. See what paradise. From the violet skies. You're allowed to enjoy life.
Medyo kinikilig lang ako. Dahil alam mo, may tinatawag kay Dara nun sa 21 parang unique sound. Yun yung parang tawag sa kanya sa Korea dati, parang unique sound.
Pero
unique
matotoo ka pa ba na si Dara is marami nang naging kapareha bigla sa isang boy band or nagkaroon pa ng mga...
Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Naman dito.
Know that you deserve it, yeah. Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Pursue whatever.
So, kung record... Grabe yung pagbibinata dun. So, kung ito ay nirecord sa studio, are we seeing something with like Acer Sarah G?
Yeah.
Ay, SB19 Sarah G?
I don't think so. Kasi tapos na yung kay Sarah G and unfortunately parang hindi sila nagkasama sa music shoot.
At saka nakalagay sa full MV.
Ito na nga. So,
ito na
nga, hindi ko napansin.
Walang Sarah G dito. Dara only.
Gaga yung sa dati nilang Acer Vin.
Hindi, walang recording together. Feeling ko, di sana meron ng...
Hindi, yun nga. Kumbaga nakakita nga tayo ng MV talagang yung full.
Yeah.
So,
totoo rin naman. Ito na yun, full MV.
Kasi napakaganda ng music eh. Like, Reset.
Tsaka may nag-flow agad na ideas ako na, alam mo yung mga magbabarkadang lalabas.
Very slow mo!
Tapos isinusundo isa-isa.
Tayo na lang ang gumawa.
Ay, pwede. Sino kakanta?
Tuloy na natin.
Hindi papasambopek.
Oo. It's still.
Oh, that's good.
Enjoy na enjoy si Kendon.
Got you.
Oh.
Ito na naman tayo.
Hoy.
Naman bago, mas mabuti pang walang plano.
Para na pa ba ako ni Diyos?
No choice. Kapag andyan na sila sa pinto. Trouble wants you, but now we got you. Hindi ka magkakasama sa ko. But don't you worry, I know. We're connected by our hearts and our souls.
Pablo reminding us that despite this, we're still connected in our hearts and souls. I am connected with Pablo. Are you connected with Pablo?
I think so. How about you?
I hate you. Charot lang. But Acer got you. Reset.
Know that you deserve it, yeah. Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road.
What?
Wait
lang. Alam mo, parang ito yung panahon na parang may mga kaibigan tayong basta ma-pick up tayo, punta tayong Tagaytay. At nananawagan kami, Gian Landicho, Hewilensi Season. Pick up sunduin nyo na kami ngayon.
Willing. Pero wala lang kaming pera at wala kaming sasakyan, pero sasama kami.
Yes, tawa. Grabe, no? Totoo yun. We need a reset. And we're going to see it soon. See you, Ate Vanessa Z.
Yes, and si Ate Evain, Ate Norina, and si Lana.
Oo, at saka Ate Elzier, may kwento pa ako, hindi na kwento. Challenge!
Sa susunod na, pagbalik!
Dahil mag-offer ako ng Got You!
Got you. Be an acer in whatever you pursue. The world is a better place because of you. Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road.
Pagaling na tayo.
We don't know whatever
Acer got you. Ay! Acer got you. Machu. That's the best. Ay, sinulat to ni Pablo talaga knowing na Acer got you.
Test mo kung babasagin ito. Hoy, bakit naman ganito, bes? Coca-Cola.
Hindi sa akin yan, Pepsi. Pepsi lang ininom ko dito. Charis.
Forever mahal ko ka.
Oh my God!
Ito yun. Nostalgic.
Oh my God, the five of them with Dara.
Yun yun?
Ito talaga yung P-pop collides with K-pop.
Yes.
Well. Parang first time ata na ganito ako nag-enjoy ng ganito.
No, I'm certain hindi ito ang first time.
First time na nag-enjoy ako na parang sa isang collaboration na parang pure bliss.
Hindi, ako naman ito, sabihin ko, first time in a while.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi sobrang miss na talaga namin ng SB19 or Mahalima or be whatever it is their individual names. Ito lang. I highly commend how Pablo wrote this.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi imagine mo, this is our first time listening, pero I immediately got a grasp kung paano kantahin yung chorus.
Yeah.
Which is really good, especially for a brand song. Kasi it's important for people to have that recall.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, lalo na gusto mong, kumbaga, ito itinaon sa Pasko and for the festivities.
But parang ang nakakatuwa lang dito, Blake, is kasi sabihin na natin December 1 ni-release, baka before pa ma-hit yung radios at saka yung mga madlang people, tapos na yung Pasko, but not. Kasi pwede pa itong patugtugin ng January. Pwede pa itong ihabol sa summer. Pero eto we just have to admit na, syempre, of course, if you wanted to make a song, a jingle song for a brand, sometimes hindi magandang gamitin yung Acer, 'di ba?
Yep.
Pero ito talaga Acer got you. So parang may recall sa product which sobrang galing na pagkakagawa. And parang alam nila kung ano yung babagay din sa boses ni Dara.
Yeah. Hindi kailangan ni Dara mag parang alam mo yun, overpowering dun sa voice.
And hindi nila kailangan mag-overpower to begin with. Kasi if you're gonna think about it, if this was made for something, I don't think ang biritan at taasan ng notes ang way to go.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, if you really want people to enjoy the song, sing it in a way that people will enjoy it and they can sing it as well for themselves, which is what Pablo successfully did.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
and Kuya Josue.
Kumbaga, this is what I commend most about Rad Kids. They know when to give it to you.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
satisfied si client.
Oo, satisfied si... Kumbaga, hindi, that's very important, especially, not just in any industry, especially in the music industry. You have to know your market, which is, ito yung ibinibigay nila sa atin na hindi ko kayo kailangan na i-please. Kumbaga, alam na natin yung caliber ng boses nila . Kumbaga, this is made for a brand and this is intended to feel good. Kumbaga, let's write something na aakma dun sa pakiramdam na yun. Hindi porke talented tayo at isa ito sa pinakamalaking isa ito sa pinakamalaking collaborations na makikita natin. Hindi natin magpakita ng pak, we've arrived, pak, mayanig. No, it's not like that. Kumbaga, it defeats the purpose, which is, again, bottom line, I commend Rad Kids for being so smart in knowing the market and the brand and what kailangan nila ma-serve yung purpose through the music.
Yeah. And aside from the songwriting and the pagkakakompose nung jingle, I mean, nung campaign, gusto ko rin i-comment yung boses ng 5. Signature voices were there, Josh were there, Justin, ang ganda na, At saka, syempre, nandyan pa rin yung signature
even si
voice
Stel,
ni Stel.
Pero,
at saka,
hindi mo na rin gan si Stel na yung talagang,
At saka, pati yung kay Ken, di ba? Sobrang nandun pagka-cute and pagka-ras, parang
raspy nung voice niya.
Oo, nandun pa din. Syempre, nandun din si Pablo. And then, si Dara, of course.
Alam mo, Che,
Iwasan mong kumomment ng bomba kay Pablo para lang mga hindi ka
sasabihin mo yung comment mo kay Pablo, ilalabas ko tong video.
Hindi, parang nasabi mo na lahat na gusto kong sabihin na parang ang ganda rin ng boses naman niya.
May hindi ka pa nasasabi, sis.
Wala, I'm so proud na pwede na silang
May hindi ka pa nga nasasabi.
Ano nga?
Mahal mo siya.
David Blake, take your bags and go. There's no place to go.
Okay, Matt, where's your bag? I will take your load.
Kinain pala yung ano.
Uy, mga agaw ka pala ng cellphone load. Anyway, ganito ha. Ayoko na mag-comment kasi madonoorin pa natin yung isang video ng Acer in a separate video. Hopefully, ma-upload din to agad. Diba? Alam mo naman, kailangan na nating makisabay. Pero I just want to say na parang medyo nung unang tumutugtog, kinontra kita sa parang hindi naman to Christmas song. Kasi yun yung ina-expect ko na parang
very Gcash.
Yes, but ina-expect ko siguro mga September or August to na-announce that there will be a collaboration with Dara in December. And it's gonna be a Christmas song. Parang dapat palang mala Jose Marichan single na tatalunin yung mga Christmas songs nila. But I'm wrong. It is more of a barkada song, a feel-good song, which is, I think, we needed right now. Not just an 18, but as working human beings na pagod na. And
ganda nga, no?
Sobra.
Especially the holiday seasons can really be tiring.
Yeah.
Pero, sige, go.
Ako lang, yung isa lang talaga, minsan, no, parang gusto mo magpaka-critical dun sa mga part ng songs. Tapos, may isang linya lang na, wala na, buburahin niya na yung pagiging critical mo. Yung Forever Mahal Ko Kayo.
Ito ha.
Parang, isang part lang yun, pero okay na ako dito sa...
Oo. Parang,
totoo.
Parang ganito.
Sobrang nostalgic for us.
Para may gusto kong sabihin Like, for example, di ba, we are reactors and you wanted to be critical. In a way na parang sasabihin nila, you always praise. Pero we're very honest. So parang gusto mong magsalita ng isang dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Tapos biglang
lumabas yung Forever Mahal Ko Kayo. Especially those yung mga generation na nakaabot talaga ng SEQ circle era ni Dara. So parang sobrang ibang yung mararamdaman nyo. So for those Gen Zs na hindi alam kung gaano kabigat yung sinabi ni Darang Forever Mahal Ko Kayo. Yan. Tanong nyo sa mga kakilala ninyong
sa mga ate, kuya, baka nanay na ninyo.
And this is a song we just heard. I mean, I can promise you, I just heard this one time. Pero ang dami ko ng feel good na nasasabi.
But, if there's anything, and I have to be honest, because we're honest, if there's anything, I would have wished to drop the word Acer.
Para magamit siya. Universal.
Alam mo, gets ko kayo kasi ang daming magbigay tayo ng mga commercials na may ginamit na brand na
say for example,
wala namang binanggit
mga station ID ng ABS-CBN.
Yeah.
You hear it all around. Christmas parties ng company. Pero there's no thing na ABS-CBN. Well, there's kapamilya, but kapamilya is a very generic term. Like tayo, we can call ourselves kapamilya.
Parang ganito, parang yung, ang araw na to ay araw mo.
Hindi, tsaka yung
pero yung
sinabawang gulay. Wala namang
I think ganito ha, we will appeal to the producer and to the campaign. Sana may dalawang version. Isang Acer got you, but feeling ko maganda na parang we got
extended
you.
Version. Tapos walang Acer.
Dami na request. Pero that's just a very small part.
Very small part. Pero kasi,
wishful thinking.
Pero baka naman mamaya kasi din, ang request din naman ng client,
ipasok talaga ang Acer.
Well, pero ibig sabihin doon,
this is us reacting.
Pero I think dalawa lang yan The song is so great na hindi lang siya pang endorse, pang jingle, pang campaign. It's good for release. For a special release.
Kasi din ang attempt ni Acer is to become a household name na parang kung in the event na talagang ito ay gamitin.
Kasi paano to gagamitin ng regular na na casual na hindi gumagamit ng Acer?
Hindi nga gets. Ito nga, baka yun yung ina-appeal nila to the mass. That's also a possibility na parang gusto nilang maging Coca-Cola.
Yep.
Even though whatever brand of soft drinks you use, Coke ang alam mo. Kumbaga, I think yun yung ina-attempt siguro nila. Pero, I don't think they're there yet. Pero, congratulations.
Congratulations. I think we're just coming from a point of view na sobrang ganda ng song that it could stand alone as a special release of the Mahalima and Dara. And not just parang as a part of a campaign ng Acer, but nevertheless, it's so good. So feel good. We miss Dara. We miss the 5 of them. And then we're going to react to a separate video. Yung Yung parang may isa pang video.
The making something.
The making or something.
Short interviews. But then again, thank you very much. That's it. And that's our reaction. That's our RV for the MV of Acer Reset.
And this is our rendition. We got you, Machu.
Anyway, thank you for supporting us.
Pero yun ang hari.
Nagiging totoo yung mukha. Nagiging totoo yung kulay ng mukha.
Oh, bakit? Totoo naman yung mukha ko. Walang makeup yan. Oh.
Please support us.
And this is the original.
You can support us through our GCash, PayPal. You can send also super sticker here. Thank you so much.
Support our dying channel. Maraming salamat po sa aming mga ninangs.
Yes.
Ngayong Pasko na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Matt Summer TV. Kayang-kaya natin to. We're gonna figure this out together. We're gonna talk and we're gonna see you very, very soon again. Bye, guys!
Thank you very much for tuning in.